What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got Goku from the end of Dragon Ball Z. So he's got that blue top on, it's that different color. And he's kind of like rolling up his sleeves kind of thing. Real smiling, confident look on his face. Kind of a cool image, so I thought I'd draw it. I'm on landscape page, use a pencil and an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast when I move my hand. Right? I'll try and move my hand as much as I can. So let's go. And we'll go center point, right? That'll be like the center of his face. And we're just going to do this tick that goes down. And then we go tick it up. This, and then down the back for the end of his eyebrow. And then this will kind of spike back up. And then go down around, and we get real thin down here. Right, like so. His iris just under that, so you just do kind of a half circle. Like so. And then his eye, normal sort of Goku standard big eyes kind of. So it goes like out around. Down, and then halfway goes into there, and then you can color his eyes and eyebrow black. And sometimes on the eye it's good to leave a sort of a highlight, so like leave a little bit of it white, wherever you want really. Like that. And then we go over and do the same thing on the other side. So you start with sort of this tick, goes up, spikes down, up here, then around and down, and gets thinner as we go down towards the front, like so. And then you can just color this in black. Right, and then iris, like so, and then color it in, leave a little highlight on the bottom. And then his eye curves around here, goes in like so. Standard sort of Goku eyes. Right, so then his nose comes down front, comes around and back up, like a little sort of hook. And then the shadow comes down here, up, around. They draw in the shadows on Dragon Ball noses. Right, like so. And then we have cheek marks, so just these sort of ticks coming across here and coming across the opposite side. Cheek marks like that. And his mouth, confident sort of smile, real close to his nose there. And his bottom lip, just like a shadow sort of drawn in there like that. And then his chin, so real square sort of chin. Like so. And then we go diagonal for his jaw. That way, this way. And we're about at mouth level, right? That's where you want to change direction and go up the side of his face. Like so. And then that classic Goku hair. So fringe spikes, so it comes out, starting here. 4 of them on this side. Comes down across his eyebrow. Sorry, 3 on this side, should I say. On there. Brown like so. Into the middle, and the other side. That way. Back up and in. Another one here. Up to there. And then he could have like a single strand coming down here. Like some hairline in there. So his ears sticking out here. Big ears in Dragon Ball, right? Stick out real far. Like that. And then some ear lines and things on the inside. Like so. Rest of his hair, like the big spikes, right? So we start with some small ones. Just here. And we keep going. Gradually getting sort of bigger as we go up. That. And you can color Goku's hair all black, or you can add some shading to the outside. You know, some like gray parts on the outside edges. This is the round part of his head just there. And then we have the real big spike coming up the center. Like that. And then, so this one kind of comes out here first and then down to the fringe. And then there's another one in behind here. Like that. And then a real big one sticking out this way. And this goes back into his ear then. There. And then a smaller one here. And he has some bits of hair just kind of sticking off. The one like that. Okay, so the pose, it's not the easiest pose in the world to draw, like the body, I'll be honest. We got a hand coming across his chest and stuff like that, right? So he's kind of tilting his body this way, okay? So the top of his chest will get the line, right? So bumps up and down, right? So we're kind of diagonal this way. It's kind of like a stretched out letter M, just this sort of bumping line. So it'll just help us get started. Center line for his chest going that way. So you can see the tilts now. Then we have a neckline down from his ear. Another one there. And then neck muscle anatomy here and here. So his hand is coming across his chest here. So we'll draw in some of his clothing, right? So we got trapezius there with some sort of muscle lines that way. And then his clothing comes down, hits his arm, like down here somewhere. And the same on this side, right? Comes down, hits his arm just there. And then his chest muscle goes across, and you can add, you know, these kind of lines if you want. So the arm coming across here, shoulder here. I guess we'll do the shoulder first because it'll help us. So this comes down like that. And then we got some clothing lines. And the shoulder comes down sort of that way. And then we have the inside line for the shoulder. So we'll go page is moving up to here. Let's go, say, this way. Down into the bicep. Just sort of there, right? And then the back of his arm there like that. And then the bicep comes down that way. And then there's like another fold in here. Then we can see some shoulder muscle lines coming around this way. Something else there. Bicep line there. Maybe another deltoid muscle somewhere there. Right, so that's his arm going this way. So the arm travels down here to the elbow and then shoots back up across here. Another trapezius line there, sorry. So his forearm, out from here, and it goes into his wristband, right? So it just curves around like that, and then the wristband is on top. So we got like this bumping kind of line. Goes up around for his wristband, which bumps, goes down to there, then around like so. And then the hand is here. It's kind of like grabbing his sleeve. So it's like he's rolling up his sleeves, even though he doesn't have any sleeves. Which is it's kind of funny. It's like, what's he rolling up exactly? We have an ab line here, and just after realizing that he has no sleeves. What sleeves is he rolling up like? Goku is insane. We'll just go for it. So let's not question it. Let's just not ask questions. And then, so the hand just goes this way, right? Bumps up to his thumb, which kind of bumps a couple of times. And then down there. Then we have these two fingers, which are not grabbing his sleeve. So it goes out around here. Down around the top of the knuckle. And then the next knuckle, up, down. You'll see what I mean. Like he's not grabbing anything. Right, so those two fingers kind of stick out, right? So we got these knuckle lines here, here, there. Like so, and then two more knuckles bent back further, so it just comes around like this. You can see like a skin line. And then his hand goes down here. And then like a wrist bone or something there. And then like lines on his hand. Knuckles. Maybe I'll just see the edge of his pinky or something there. Knuckle line like that. Okay, so then now his shoulder and his sleeveless sleeve goes down that way. Right, some just fold lines and things on it. Side of his body will go that way. And then his muscles. Muscle there. Tricep there. Bicep. And there. Bicep line comes around that way. And then the rest of his arm comes down to his elbow. And the forearm goes off here. Forearm there. And then those sorts of lines like that. Now, what is he grabbing? Nothing. Why are you rolling up your sleeves, Goku? You don't have sleeves. Alright, that's it. That's how to draw Goku from the end of Dragon Ball Z in the sort of turquoise blue kimono or gi. I think it's a gi in karate, isn't it? Okay, hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.